Hey guys, so today's application problem, or we know it's also known as the problem of the day, will be in your blue book on page 103. So make sure you tear that out right now. Blue book, page 103. If you do not have it torn out, hit pause and then hit play when you have the page ready. All right, so we know that we need to follow our 4 steps here to know that we've done our best work. We read our problem, draw and label our work, write a number sentence or equation, and then write a word sentence or a statement. When we have 4 checks, we've done everything on our checklist, and that's how we know we've done our best work. So let's check it out. Mrs. Peacock bought 4 packs of yogurt. She had exactly enough to give each of her 24 students 1 yogurt cup. How many yogurt cups are there in 1 pack? All right, so I'll read it one more time. Mrs. Peacock bought 4 packs of yogurt. She had exactly enough to give each of her 24 students 1 yogurt cup. How many yogurt cups are there in 1 pack? Okay, so when I say go, you will pause this video and start to solve this problem. Fill in your checklist as you solve your problem, and once you have 4 checks, you can hit play on the video again to go over the answer. Okay, so when I say go, you're going to pause, solve the problem, and once that checklist is full, then you hit play so that you can check your work. All right, 3, 2, 1, pause. All right, so if you're back, then that means that this checklist should be nice and full with 4 checks. You read your problem, you drew and labeled your work, you wrote a number sentence or equation, and you wrote a word sentence or a statement. So if you did not do all 4 of these things, if you are missing 1 or more checks, then you need to pause the video again. Make sure that you do whatever else you need to do, and then come back when you're ready. Okay, so if you're still with me, then I'm going to say that means you have all 4 checks. Okay, so I'm just going to erase them so it doesn't confuse us on the next page. And here we go. So, last warning, the solution and work is coming up. So if you do not have your 4 checks on your checklist, then you need to pause now. It's your last chance. I'm going to show you the answer in 3, 2, 1, go. All right. So, oh, wow, this person drew a tape diagram. Okay, so they knew that Mrs. Peabody said she bought 24 yogurt packs total. Sorry, my bad. She bought 4 yogurt packs, and altogether she had 24 yogurt cups. So we needed to find out how many were in each pack. So this person was like, oh, well, 4 packs. So I'm going to draw 4 sections on my tape diagram here. And the question is asking us for the number in each pack. So if we're starting with a larger number and we're splitting into equal groups, then we must be dividing. So that's how I know we're doing 24 split into or divided by 4, and we have to solve. Okay, so now you could do a few different ways. I'm going to show you the way that we're the most familiar with right now, spreading it equally. So we know that 24 is our largest number. That's how many yogurt cups we have, and they're equal groups. So let's add 1 to each at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. All right, so this pack has 6. The next one has 6. Remember, check all of your groups, because if you have groups with different amounts, then you know that you made a mistake somewhere. But they all have 6. And that makes sense, because if I were to add up 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, I would get 24. But our question only said the number of cups in one pack. So 24 split into 4 gives us 6. 24 yogurt cups split into 4 packs of yogurt means that we have 6 cups in each pack. So there are 6 cups of yogurt in each pack. All right, now today, the focus is also going to be on a little bit of some might call it an easier way that maybe you could have solved this problem. Others it might not be as easy for. Remember, our goal here in math is to find what works the best for us. And in order to find that, we have to have a lot of options of ways we could solve a problem. Okay? All right, good work, mathematicians. You will continue this work throughout your lesson today.